Hello friends, we will see what the software metrics significance. So metric is nothing but the measurement. So software metric is nothing but for development of software various measurements we have to do. So what types of measurement we have to do and what is the significance, what is the importance of that metrics or measurement that we will see here. So software metric, it is the combination of various attributes of the software. Attributes of the software are length, functionality, reuse and number of faults. So when you develop one software, how much the length of the length of the code, what is the functionality, how complex is the functionality of that software, then how much code we are going to reuse, एंड व्हाट आर द नंबर ऑफ़ फॉल्ट्स, दैट मीन्स कितना आपने डेवलप करने के बाद कितने नंबर ऑफ़ फॉल्ट्स है ये आपको कैलकुलेट करने पड़ेंगे. सो दीज आर दी सॉफ्टवेयर एट्रीब्यूट्स एंड फ्रॉम दिस एट्रीब्यूट्स वी हैव टू calculate the or we have to define the software metric. And what is quality assurance? It is the fitness of purpose, conformance to the given specification, degree of excellence and timeliness. That means if the customer has given you the product, how much satisfaction or what is the function of your product as per the requirement. So that is the fitness of the purpose, how fit your product is to fulfill the purpose of the customer. Conformance to the given specification, customer give you some specification, that is customer give you some requirement and how much requirement is fulfilled, that is the conformance to the given specification. Degree of excellence, how much your product is excellent, that is the degree of excellence, and this excellence give you the quality product, that is the quality assurance. Timeliness, that means how much if you have given the product and in how much period or in how much duration you will develop it, so that is the timeliness, so that which involves the quality assurance terms. Now measurement in everyday life. So without measurement technology cannot function. So measurement plays very important role in everyday life. For example, radar system, medical system, weather forecasting system, price act as a value of an atom, journey from Jalgaon to Mumbai. So for many examples in everyday life you see where measurement is very important. So these are some of the examples where measurement is applicable. Radar system where measurement is important, medical system. So in everyday life there are various application where we have to do the measurement. So measurement helps us to understand our world, interact with the surrounding and improve our lives. So what is measurement exactly? Measurement is the purpose by which number or symbols are assigned to attribute of an entities in the real world so as to describe them according to the clearly defined rule. So measurement is the process by which number of symbols are assigned to the attributes of the entities. So some symbols are used to show the attribute of the entities in the real world, and that symbols can be used to describe according to the clearly defined rules. So that is the importance of measurement. And in software engineering, at various stages, right from your requirement analysis to maintenance phase, various measurements we have to do. So that is the importance or significance of measurement in software engineering. So thank you for listening.